Hello and welcome to another tutorial for the Welcome Tiles WordPress plugin. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing exclusively on the feature of the tile storage section. The transcript for this video can be found via the Welcome Tiles tutorial page at webfixfast.com/welcome-tiles-tutorial. This video is part of a series of tutorials covering Welcome Tiles, and I recommend watching all the videos in this series to get the most out of the plugin, even though you could hit the ground running by just watching the Welcome Tiles quick basic tutorial alone. Alright, so the first thing to note about the tile storage area is that it contains all the tiles you've created via Create a New Tile section in the past. Whenever you hit the Save this tile button in the Create New Tile section, a brand new tile gets added to the tile storage. To select a tile from the tile storage, you need to simply click it. Click it once more if you need to unselect it. You can select a bunch of tiles and then click the Use Selected Tiles button to send those tiles down to the demo area further below. Tiles stored in this tile storage area can of course be reused anytime in the future for new projects. Suppose you create a set of 4 testimonial tiles and publish them somewhere on your website, and in the future get 2 new testimonials and you wish to add to the set. In that case, simply create the 2 new testimonial tiles via the Create New Tile section and then select them from the tile storage along with the earlier testimonial tiles, and then send all of them to the demo area in order to create a new testimonial set with all 6 testimonial tiles. Now suppose you notice an error in one of your tiles. Instead of having to create a new tile from scratch, you could simply select that tile, press the Copy Selected Tile button, which basically copies all the contents of the tile onto the Create a New Tile section above, and then make the necessary edits before saving the new tile and then using it in place of the previous tile. But what do you do with botched tiles like this one, or other tiles that you are certain you won't be reusing in the future? Such tiles don't really need to exist in the tile storage area. If you find such tiles cluttering your tile storage space, you have the option of selecting and trashing them. Trashing a tile hides it permanently from view. And just to make sure you do not have any wrong tiles selected while trashing tiles, you could choose to use the Deselect All Tiles button before making a selection of tiles to trash. But what if you've published a set of tiles containing a tile that you are now about to trash? Won't that hide or delete that tile from your website pages as well? The answer to that is no. Please note that tiles on the front end of your website are not affected if you trash the counterparts in the tile storage. And that concludes our tutorial on the features of the tile storage section. In the next tutorial, we'll be covering the topic of Welcome Tiles presets. Thank you for tuning in.